For this project, we were supported by our associate consultant, Mr. Prashant Lele and Mr. Kavita Pai, both of them sitting in the audience. Thanks to them. The culture of our team is उद्यमेन हि सिद्धन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे हि नहि सुप्तस्य सीमस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. The bottom line of this meaning is that for any mission to be successful, hard work and sincere efforts are very much essential, and just daydreaming it won't work. And the next line says, there is no free meal in the world. Even the lion, the strongest of animal, has to work hard. For this sort of project, team formation is very essential. We had two set of teams, one at design stage and another at construction stage. At design stage, we have structural engineer, they are sitting with you. For structural, just a minute. We have two set of people at design stage and at construction stage, structural engineers, and for the next stage, fabrication checking of fabrication drawings. And also architects are involved for first stage to have this connectivity with other buildings also. Now the first picture on the top corner shows the equipment layout in the 3D model, which we received from the equipment supplier. That is converted into STAD model. And third is this, the construction progress in the month of December. And taking a clue from the previous speaker, this structure has withstood a wind speed of 125 kilometers per hour in the month of December in the coastal area of Andhra Pradesh. The salient features of this project. Footprint area of the refinery was 60 meter or 52 meter, divided into 7 bays in X direction and 8 by 10 bays in Z direction. Base spacing was non-uniform, 3 layers base of 8 meters and rest of 6 meters. The skyline difference, the 3 towers you can see distinctly. The topmost tower, that is called Deodorant Tower, that is about 40 meters high. The next is hydrogenation tower, which is 22.5 meter high, and the lower loop is varying from 18.5 to 15.5 and 14.5. The peculiarity of this building, that hydrogenation, this deodorant bay, 3 bays by 3 bays, there are no bracing, as client insisted that they want a free movement. So we had to go there for T column and star columns. The different floor heights was the major challenge, because the first floor was 3 meters, next was 3.5, then that was another was 3.8, varying from 3.5, 3.8 to maximum of 4.5. Adjusting the riser for the staircase was a tough job, because in a given flight you can have same risers, but between two flights, the difference in riser won't be allowed more than 5 mm for comfort, from comfort level point of view of the user. Floor specification. There are 3 different types of floor: RCC floor, grating, and of course, the requirement where the top of floor shall be matching, whether it is steel grating or RCC floor, acid AR tiling. Cladding. There are again 2 different types of cladding: slanted louvers, vertical sheeting, and fire resistant brickwork. From material movement point of view, one of the floors we had to suspend it from the top. That you can see in the sectional drawing, that it is suspended from the floor above. Then erection restraint. Since the equipment erection and structure erection is simultaneous process, the provision of vertical bracing in the entire structure system has to be well thought of from moment of current point of view. Equipments in the refinery. The total number of equipments in this refinery were to the order of 15,000 square meter, to the order of 600 to 700 numbers, including small equipments. Out of these equipments, about the weight of this, operating weight of this equipment to were to the order of 200 tons, varying from 5 to 200 tons. Of course, with heavy equipment erected directly on foundation, it created obstruction during this erection of floor beams. And the erection sequence has to be synchronized with the delivery of equipment. Wind analysis, the governing factor for the entire design. This design wind pressure considers basic wind pressure plus additional pressure because of the coastal zone. The total consumption of steel was to the order of 1500 metric ton, excluding grating and purlins. The quantity of pre-coated sheets were at 9,000 square meter, while grating was 5,000 square meter. Use of built-in metal deck for casting RC slab is 1,000 meters square. I thank you, all of you. If you have any questions, I would welcome to answer that.